This is the Meta-Lax Weld Conditioning Process. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use sub-harmonic vibration during welding to improve the weld quality from setup to final cooldown. First, let's start with setup by clearing the workspace to be welded and ensuring good contact and electrical isolation of the equipment. Second, affixing the Meta-Lax force inducer to the workpiece with the isolation shoes and clamps provided. Think of these like a heavy-duty surge protector. Third, hit scan to find the sub-harmonic zone. It's a specific dip in the harmonic curve, basically a sweet spot where the material relaxes. With your baseline found, you can actually start welding. But wait, why not let the computer tune everything automatically? Well, the machine finds the general zone, but it takes a human eye to spot the perfect liquid metal flow. Fourth, begin welding and have a coworker tweak the frequency up and down by 2 Hz every 15 seconds while you weld. Once you see deeper penetration and a perfectly smooth bead lock-in, set amplitude mode so the computer maintains that exact energy. Now the fifth step. When you finish welding, click the Finished Welding button. Whatever you do, do not shut the system down. You've got to let that vibration run for a full 20-minute cooldown cycle. Press the Begin Cooldown button. It's just like a cooldown stretch after lifting heavy weights. Stopping abruptly leaves the metal cramped up with dangerous residual stress. So by properly isolating your gear, manually dialing in that frequency, and committing to the full cooldown, you'll guarantee a high-quality, stress-free weld every time. This is the Meta-Lax Weld Conditioning Process. Let us know how we can help. Call 248-582-0900.